Okay, now try to put her back in it.
Ninjas. Let's go.
Okay, set it down so she can get in. Close the top and she'll get in it. Turn the door this way. There you go. Turn it this way. Set it down. She'll get in. There we go.
She gets in it herself.
Close the door for her. No, just close the door. Close her front door. There. Turn her sideways so I can see the mirror, or the window. Try opening the top.